Hey guys, having some memory card issues with the camera, so I've already shot like 10 minutes of this. Anyway, like in the previous video where what was corrupted, I got my stuff for my desktop here already completed. In another video I said that I was bringing some stuff to make a desktop computer here in Auckland, New Zealand, and I bought a lot of stuff in the Philippines because there's a price difference. It's a lot cheaper if I bought stuff there. I actually bought a case there, the same case that I have here now that was delivered today. It's just that I had to sell that as soon as I got it, because even though I had the size measured out right, I didn't expect the weight to be something of a problem for me. It would fit my carry-on, but it was just too heavy. I couldn't fit any other stuff if I wanted to. So I ended up selling that for about $10 loss, which is fine. At least now I bought this, but this cost a lot more here in Auckland. Anyway, I already opened this box on the corrupted video. I hope this one doesn't get corrupted. Inside this box I have the new hard drive, new video card, and this fan. It's an 80mm fan. This is supposed to be 120mm. I went to the shop in the CBD. I actually had a cart online on their website, but I didn't have my money yet in my bank account and all that stuff, so I just used cash. So I went there, gave the stuff that was online on my cart to the guy, and then he just listed it on the computer on the POS, and just paid for that in cash and had it delivered today. So that was yesterday. I bought it yesterday and they delivered it today, which is really fast. So this was supposed to be 120mm. Somehow he put in 80mm, but still. Anyway, I got this hard drive. This is a Seagate Barracuda 7200 RPM, 1TB. I had a Western Digital Blue Easy EX model in the Philippines that I left behind because weight limitations on my carry-on. So I ended up having to buy this. I didn't want to buy, I actually wanted to buy the 2.5 Western Digital black one, but it would take like 7 more days to get shipped, and I couldn't wait anymore. So 3.5 is fine. Besides, this 3.5 is thin. So it's not as like the other hard drives I had before. This is a GeForce 1060 3 gig because miners. I had a 1050 Ti that I was supposed to be in here because this thing cost me around 459 New Zealand dollars. If I brought my 1050 Ti, which was enough for the stuff I was doing, some streaming some games, doing some videos or whatever, I would save $459, but again, my carry-on was already packed. I had like 7 kilograms on my carry-on backpack and another like 2.5 kilograms on a separate backpack because of the camera, power banks, cables, and all that stuff. So I had to end up buying this one, way overpriced, but yeah. So it's a 1063 gigabytes, which is still sealed. This is perfect for whatever I need. 3 gigs is fine. I don't need 6 gigs. I don't. There's no need for me to go 6 gigs. Maybe in the future, maybe, but now it's pretty beefy. There we go. Gigabyte. It has a backplate already. Usually they don't include backplates. Yeah, that's good. It's an HDMI display ports. It's nice because they has plugs at the back on the display port. Not like the usual stuff that I buy in the Philippines. I mean, I usually buy the cheap brands like Zotac, Palette. Those are the equivalent of I think EVGA in other countries. Like here in New Zealand, EVGA is the cheapest video card. There was like a 450 one that's also 3 gig, but this was $9 more. It was just $9 more, so it has dual fans. So I ended up getting this one instead of the EVGA, which had a single fan, but it was smaller. But yeah, so 1060, 3 gig. That's gonna be my new video card here in Auckland. Here at the back, we got a 24-inch monitor. This is a Philips V-line. I was supposed to get a 27-inch monitor, but with the restrictions of our room here, we're just flatting with a few people. 24 is gonna have to do for now. If later on I want something else, I'll probably get the same monitor and go for a dual monitor setup instead of getting a 27-inch or something bigger in the long run. I think dual monitor setup. The good thing about this monitor, what's the model again? This is the Philips, what's the model? I don't know what the model is now. There's a model name here. The good thing about this monitor, it's the 24.3 V7Q monitor. It almost doesn't have a bezel. It's almost bezel-less. Look at this. I'm shooting this in the living room because the room is so small. There's the monitor. If you can see right here, there's almost no bezel. That's that screen already. That's like 2 millimeters or 1 millimeter of edge, and then that's the screen right there. At the top, it's the same. At the bottom is the thickest part. That's about 1 inch. But that, if you dual monitor this dual 24s, there's almost no space in between, which is perfect. So I was supposed to get a 27-inch LG one, but this turned out pretty good. Okay, we're done with the monitor. Let's go with the case. I've shown this already on my other video, but when I purchased this yesterday, I forgot to specify the color. I wanted the gray one, the anthracite gray, because black is just plain black. Gray had that beautiful gray silverish accent at the front panels. So it's like a dark tint window, tempered glass, and it has that anthracite gray at the front. But we'll see what I got here. Oh, by the way, this is the Phanteks Enthoo Evolv shift case. And this is a pretty new ITX case by Phanteks. Let's see what I got. I got the black one. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. So get this case out. Oh wait, that's not how they do it. There's an instruction on how to take this out. And you flip this over. Open the box, flip this over. And take it out like that. There we go. Here we go. Let's take it out. Oh, look, the black one actually looks nice too. Yeah, the black one looks sleek. I just prefer the one with gray accents, but yeah. Let's get the video here. Here we go. Yeah, so that's the Phanteks shift case. This is a mini ITX case. Really small. It's heavy. I checked the weight. The dry weight is 6.6 kilograms. Tempered glass on the sides. There's a great video review by Hardware Connects of this one. This thing pops up. See, it turns. Yep. So we'll be building my system on this one because I have these Gigabyte King3 Wi-Fi ITX. That's already here. I have the Ryzen 5 1600 already in there. I've already assembled that in the Philippines. Plus we got some RAMs, some G.Skill. This is just 2400. I was supposed to get 2500. And I got these, this is the power supply that we'll be using, the Corsair. Alright, so I got a weird angle on building this PC. It's a really cramped space, but alright, let's start building it. First up, let's take out the panels. So this thing goes up, it only goes up until there. The glass panels have thumb screws, which is good. There you go. That's too far. Need a screwdriver for it. That's too tight. There we go. It's captive thumb screws, which is good. Captive. And what you do is you pull it up. That's one glass. Where did I put this? I'll just put it on the side. One more glass. Just pull it up. Is it pulling up? Is it still screwed in? There we go. And that's both glass panels. Both sides are now gone. We can begin to work on a case. No, let's take out the front panels too. The front, these front panels and the other side panels, they can also be taken out. Let me adjust this. There we go. Crouching down. Take this out by pulling it up again. Can I? Maybe I can't. Huh. This thing's more rigid than the one I had first. Oh, they're thumb screws. They're thumb screws here. I know that. Okay. Captive thumb screws there. Captive thumb screws here. One. There we go. Pull it up. There you go. Front panel is gone. Let's put it on the side. Let's get the back panel too. There we go. Back panel's gone. There we go. Now we have just a bare case. And it's pretty light now. Okay. I have like a table here in this tiny room, but the table's also full of stuff. The accessories box from Phanteks comes with an armor request, and look at that. Sorted what do you call it? Screws and all that stuff. Phanteks knows how to package their stuff. And some cable ties too. Awesome. Okay, so this is the finished setup of my PC build. As you can see, it's a very tiny desk. Again, some of the parts that I brought with me from the Philippines is this keyboard, the HyperX FPS alloy. That's a mechanical Cherry MX blue keyboard. This is my HyperX Stinger headset. I chose this instead of the Clouds or whatever because it's the lightest among those, and I prefer a light headset because I can't go gaming for a long period of time wearing a heavy headset. I used to have a Corsair Vengeance 5.1 thing, and that was pretty heavy. I barely used that, although it was a great headset, especially the microphone. That's just this one is an A4 Tech mouse, the Bloody series. And that's of course, that's my what do you call this? That's my Logitech C922. And this is the setup of the PC right now. There you go. I leave the top open for exhaust right there. And it's actually pretty warm. This is not so warm, but it stays at around 50. And this room that we're in, it's not air conditioned. There's no fan or anything, so it's a warm room. So yeah, sometimes I take this panel off to get more air exhaust, yeah, and it helps a lot. Well, anyway, so yep, that's the PC build. That's what I'm going to use here in Auckland for my videos, editing videos and all that. It's a Ryzen. Let's see if I can. I'll just show it here. It's a Ryzen 1600. There we go. Yeah, it's a Ryzen 1600. And I got 256 MB Crucial MX300, or 275 MB Crucial MX300 SSD. GTX1060 3 gigs. These are my thermals. The processor is around less than 50 right now. So yeah. Alright, yep. That's about it. That's what I'm going to be used for gaming, for all my office stuff, for applying work, making my resumes, submitting my applications, doing a lot of other stuff. Some game recordings also. We have a page, me and my friends and I have a Facebook page where we create content for gaming. So we do reviews and all that stuff. So that was when I was still in the Philippines. Now that I'm here, I'll probably just contribute like let's play videos, those kind of content. Or even just stream on Facebook. Yep. Anyway, so that's about it. Thank you very much for watching my video on my PC build. I'll see you guys on another video. Thanks.